How do you participate in transformative industries or game-changing technologies like what Amazon is doing with e-commerce when so many of those stocks, to the degree that they even go public anymore, aren't low-priced?
Yep, they're not low-priced. They're not even publicly traded. One of the tragedies of being a small-cap manager is the number of public companies has dropped in half. And I was at the meeting for America Online, which was a big thing in the 90s, and met Michael Dell on the IPO. But those companies are not coming public anymore, and they're not small-cap anymore, which is a great frustration for me.
So can you participate in secondary or tertiary ways?
That's the great frustration. It's become so much more of a winner-take-all, monopolistic, oligopolistic market in the United States.
And that is a feature of today's market. This is something that you have not seen in the, 28 years since you started doing this in '89?
It's a feature of America's economy increasingly over the last couple of decades, that it's become more oligopolistic, more winner-take-all. It's
in the stock market as much as it is in society.
Yeah. I mean, so Amazon prospers. How do I play e-commerce in small caps? There's Wayfair, but there's also lots of carnage. There's lots of retailers that won't make it. So in the Russell 2000, which is my benchmark, there's more losers than winners. And a lot of the winners in e-commerce are private companies. And Wayfair isn't the same bet as Amazon.
It certainly isn't. Is anything going to change that winner-take-all situation you observe and we're living in?
Not that I know of. I think it's part of why politics is so divisive.
You're not buying retail. It's hard to participate.
You are. I hold retail, but with not great confidence.
That's even tougher, isn't it?
Yes. Yes. It's the problem with value investing is you are saying that the future is less dark than people think, whereas it's great to be a growth investor and say the future is even brighter than you think. The future is not only going to be good, it's going to be amazing. I love those kind of stocks, but what I've got it's overcast, not a hurricane warning.